Welcome to Click My Project. Our project title is Indian Paper Currency Authentication System using Image Processing. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of our project. Our project abstract is Automated Paper Currency Recognition System can be a very good utility in banking systems and other fields also. Fake notes in Indian in denomination of 100, 500, thousands are being folded into the system. Over the past few years, as a result of a great technologies, advance in the color printing, duplication and scanning, counter problems have become more and more serious. In this article, recognition of paper currency with the help of digital image processing technique described. Two characteristics of Indian paper currency is selected for count detection, including a identification mark and currency series number. The identification mark also decides the current denomination. The characteristics extraction is perfected on the image of the currency and it's compared with the characteristics of the genuine currency. The Canny operator with a gradient magnitude is used for characteristics extraction. The currency will be verified by using the image processing techniques. The approaches consist of a number of components including the image processing, edge detection, image segmentation, characteristics extraction and comparing the images. Now we are going to discuss about a block diagram of our project. First block is a pre-processing stage. The input images is pre-processed, then finding the edge. So detecting edge, have a Canny edge operator is used. Then next one is a segmentation block. Here we segmenting the particular value. Then the feature extraction is done. Finally the classifying the currency note. Then performance measures is calculated. Next one is a system architecture. This is our system architecture. Pre-processing stage containing the IM resize function is used to resizing the input image. Then RGB to gray conversion is done. If the input image is RGB means converting into a gray, then it will go for an edge reduction. The edge reduction is Canny edge operator is used here. Next one is fuzzy C means algorithm is used to segmenting the currency note. If the segmentation is done means LPP feature extraction method is used to extracting the feature. Then PNN classifier is used to classifying the currency, the given currency is genuine or fake. Finally the performance measures is calculated. This is our flow diagram. The training and testing features is containing here. The first stage is input. The first stage of any vision system is an image acquisition stage. The image acquisition stage is an registration and storage of an image. After the image have been updated, the various methods of processing can be applied to image to performing the many different vision tasks today. First, capturing the input image from the source file by using the UI get file and IM read function. Users can be able to change the size of the image by providing the pixel height and width within the help of IM resize function. Finally, RGB to gray command is used to converting the gray image. Then next one is an edge reduction. By applying the edge reduction technique, the data volume in the image can be significantly be reducing without affecting the structural properties, which will be later used for an image processing. There are several procedures available for edge reduction as discussed. We have chosen a Canny edge detector which is optimal for step edges. Canny edge detection algorithm runs mainly in 5 sequence steps: smoothing, finding gradient and non-maximal surprise and double thresholding, edge tracking by hypothesis. Next one is a segmentation. So the segmentation, some fuzzy technique based segmentation methods are studied in the implementation and some fuzzy means clustering based segmentation algorithms are developed in this work to suppress high and low uniform random noise. The reasons for not developing the fuzzy rules based on the segmentation method is they are applicable depends the fuzzy technique based segmentation action method that are studied and developed summarized here. First one is segmentation based on the security thread, then latency image, then watermark image, identification mark and macro letters are segmented here. Next one is a feature extraction. The security threads and latency image, watermark image, identification mark image, macro letter imaging are given to the feature extraction method. Here, the local binary patterns are types of features used for classification in the computer vision. The LBP is the particular case of a textual spectrum model proposed. Next one is a classification method. The neural network used here is a probabilistic neural network which is suitable for recognition and classification problem. The probabilistic neural network are kinds of racial basic network, and the MATLAB comment of net equal to new PNN creates a new network with a dialog box. This is the command net equal to new net of p comma t comma separate takes the 2 or 3 arguments. The PNN operator are organized into a multi-layered feed forwarded network with a 4 layer input layer, hidden layer, pattern layer or a summarization layer. Finally, the output layer is used. Next one is on performance measures. Here we calculating the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity of a classifier. The accuracy represents the efficiency of the process. The sensitivity shows how the algorithm gives the correct result. The specificity shows how the algorithm rejected wrongly classification result. Now we are going to discuss about output of our project. Our project developed in MATLAB or 2013 version. Go to the current folder and select main guide.m file. Right click the file and click the run button. Now run the guide design. This is our input guide. Selected on one input image. Click the input image. Selected one image. Now I selected 15.jpg image. Click the pre-processing button. Here converting RGB image into gray image. Then edge reduction. Canny edge operator is used here. Then segmentation is done. Fuzzy segmentation is used here. Next one is identification. Identification means first clicking the identification mark. Then watermark is applied. Then security thread value is applied. Numerical value is find. Next one is a feature extraction method. Here the features values are extracted here. Next one is a classification. Here we find the given input image is genuine or fake. So now our input image is genuine currency. Next one is a performance measures. Thank you for listening. Our demo is completed. Thank you.